Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the end of October as we're about to enter November. So if we take a look here in the past 24 hours, the market has been performing very well as the stock market has as well. We've been seeing some nice moves in the stock market. If you guys are following Tesla is destroying it right now. It was up over 11 or 12% today at one point, trading at over $1,100 almost, close to those highs. We were trading around I think 1,048 at one point. That was the high for Tesla. And now obviously, crypto is booming as well now, up almost 2% in the past 24 hours. Our top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Jasmy, which is up about 50% or so, as it was trading at around 6 cents or so before this. We see our highest volume is Bitcoin. The volume is picking up a little bit, 30.8 billion right there. And we see Ethereum at 15.9 billion. So Bitcoin's up about 1.5%, trading around the 63,000 area. Ethereum is up about 2%, trading around this 4,200 area. We see Binance Coin's up 1%, Cardano almost 0.5%, Solana making a nice move up over 4%, trading back up into 200s once again, close to the all-time high areas. Everything else seems to be up or down, pretty much about 5% or so. And we see some obviously momentum plays like internet, computer right here. ICP is up 16%. This is a momentum play in my opinion, as well as some of these other ones that we're going to be seeing on here as well, guys. So if you enjoy this type of content, you want to see more content like this, smash that like button for me, guys. Show some support. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 45,000 subscribers, guys. It takes 1 second. Leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. And as always, let's get into it. So the first altcoin we're going to be talking about is going to be Cardano, ADA, one of the biggest ones, obviously. And we're going to be talking about this one because I feel, in my opinion, it has been underperforming the market a little bit. And we've been seeing a slight pullback on it. And then we're going to be waiting for that all-time high. So Cardano, in the past 24 hours, it's up about 0.5%, trading at $2.16. If we take a look here on the 1 week chart, we were kind of just trading in the same area as well. We saw this was kind of like a glitch type thing that we saw actually on Binance. We saw a huge type of situation like that where we had a wick go down, and I think that it was actually trading at around 40 or 50 cents at one point. I know some people that personally were able to get in at 40 or 50 cents and then literally sold it at over $2 within 2 seconds of buying it right there. It was kind of like a down and up situation. In the past month, we're down about 5%. In the past year, we're up over 1,932%. So if we take the bigger picture, obviously this is definitely not underperforming. But if we take here in the short picture, just from this high, we are in the downtrend here. So if we take a look here, last year this was trading at under 10 cents at one point. Went up the highs here in May at 231. Pulled back down all the way to lows of about $1 in July, and then from that $1 area, we went up to all the way about $3.10. So over a 200% gain here from July to September in about a month or two. So nice move right there. Pulled back down all the way to the twos, so about a 30% drop, and obviously now it's consolidating in the twos, low twos. We're going to be waiting for more consolidation, volume to pick up, and another uptrend. So if we take a look down here, market cap is currently at 71.2 billion. It's just it's in the top 5 coins obviously right now. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and obviously Cardano right behind it. Volume is at 2.4 billion, which is about 8% higher than usual. Typical hold time on this coin is going to be around 68 days. Trading activity, we have 60% buy, 40% sell activity. Obviously all-time high at 310. Cardano, if you're not familiar with this coin, guys, it's going to be a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transaction without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So this coin, in my opinion, is definitely one that's going to continue to grow and be one of the top coins. We've been talking about this coin for a long time on this channel as well as other places, and we believe that this coin is going to be one of the bigger coins. I mean, it's already in the top 5, but I believe in the future it could do even better and maybe give some competition to Ethereum and Bitcoin for sure, in my opinion. But obviously that's just opinion based, and that's just something that I'm predicting. It doesn't have to be that way, but that's just something that I believe in, and I believe that Cardano will continue to grow. Only at a 71.2 billion market cap right now. I would not be surprised if this coin is trading around $10 in the future, which would give it about a 5x opportunity, and it would be trading close to Ethereum's valuation right now at the market cap value. So that's definitely something I'm thinking for 10, 15, 20 years in the future. It could possibly happen. So Cardano, our number 1 coin. Second, we have a momentum play. So guys, every time we talk about Avalanche, it's going to be momentum play in my opinion. So Avalanche here, AVAX, in the past day, it's up almost 10% at 9.93%. Trading at $71.82. If we take a look here at the 1 week chart, we're up over 29.5%. from lows of about 55 at one point last week. If we take a look at the 1 month chart, we're actually only up 4.9%. That's because we hit a high, pulled back down, and now we're coming back up. In the past year, we're up over 1,600% as this coin was trading around $3 last year. Hit highs here in February at 55, pulled back down even though the market was booming here in April and May. So this one was actually down and underperforming. Then it fell down even lower during the market pullback that we saw with Bitcoin when it went down all the way to about 30,000 or so. So we saw about $10. And we shot on up all the way up to about $80 at one point here in September. So from the $10 to the $80 range, that's up over 700%. So anybody that got in obviously in July and sold at the top, or even right now, you'd be up about 600 to 700%, which is obviously an insane gain in my opinion. Massive gains to be made right there. So for any holders, now we saw that pullback and now another trend on higher. Hopefully we can break through that $80 all-time high once again and continue to move on higher. 15.8 billion market cap currently. Volume is picking up. It's at 705.4 million, which is about 28.5% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 9 days. It is ranked the number 11 coin. 67% buy activity and 33% sell activity. Avalanche, if you're not familiar with this one, it describes itself as an open, programmable smart contracts platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Now, Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So this coin is definitely another one that has potential in the future, but right now we're just going to be naming it as a momentum play in my opinion, and a coin that could continue to go higher and higher in the near future. So that's our second coin, and then our number 3 coin is going to be FTX. FTT, also known as that. If we take a look here in the past day, pretty much same pattern as Avalanche, up almost 10% here, trading at $68.39. If we take a look at the 1 week chart, this one's continued to boom, and we actually talked about this one last week. It's up over 23% since then. On the 1 month chart, 24.5%, and then on the 1 year chart, over 1,639%. If we take a look here last November, we were trading at $3.50. We went up to highs of about $50 or $60 here in May. Pulled back down all the way to lows of about $22 in June, and then continued to skyrocket on higher all the way to over $80 at one point in September. So around a 300% gain happened here from June to September. Nice gain, obviously. Pulled back down, consolidation with an uptrend going on right now in October, hopefully into November as well. 8.2 billion market cap currently, 355.5 million here on the volume, which is about 82% higher than usual, so almost a double, and all-time high at $85 like we said. So this coin continues to rise, continues to make nice gains here, close to the all-time high area. Again, we're only about $17 away from the all-time area, so very, very close to the top right now, and it continues to go with the only 8 billion market cap. Definitely has more potential for upside. I mean, we've seen what it's done obviously in the past year or so, over 1,600%. So if you invested into this coin last year with $1,000, you'll be up over $16,000 profit right now, which is insane. A 1,600% return in a year. Those are gains that you usually will not see in a regular market. So cryptos definitely a way to be making some decent gains, but the high risk, high reward type situation is definitely there, guys. So those are the 3 altcoins. Now let's take a quick look at everything else, how it's performing. First of all, we'll talk about Solana. So Solana is one we love. We've talked about this one since it was in the 20 or 30s, and it continues to go, guys. So it continues to go here. Obviously in July, it was actually trading around those 20s areas, continue to go higher and continue to go even higher here. We saw highs actually yesterday at around $218, almost $220. 63.2 billion market cap currently on Solana as it continues to just destroy through and continues to go higher and higher. Doge is down about 2.8%, so once again pulling back down a little bit. Still trading in the mid-20s. It's been there for a long time now. Shiba Inu doing great, up about 4% almost. We're trading into 4s, which is nice to see, so we're at an all-time high for the past week or so, making nice moves. Bitcoin, like we said here in the past 24 hours, up about 1.4% as it was trading at around 61,000 or so yesterday. We see it here in a 1 week chart, 1.5%. We hit highs of 67,000 almost. In the past month, we're up over 47%, which is a great gain in my opinion. In the past year, 381%. So even if you were investing in Bitcoin, you would have made some great gains just in the past year or so. Even though it's not one of these altcoins that's up over 1,000%, 381% is still great. 1.2 trillion market cap, 36% of the crypto market space currently. Volume is up 9% higher than usual at 30.8 billion, 58% buy activity and 42% sell activity. Then we have Ethereum, which is up about 2.2%, trading at around $4,233. In the past week, we're up almost 10% or higher. We were trading at around 4,400 or so not too long ago. here in the past month or so, we're up 44%. Past year, 941%. So this one obviously doubled what Bitcoin has been doing in the past year. So Ethereum is definitely moving higher and higher and outperforming Bitcoin. Market cap, $500 billion, guys. We're at a $500 billion market cap right now. 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is up 5% higher than usual at almost 16 billion. 63% buy activity, and then 37% sell activity. So Bitcoin and Ethereum making a nice move here with the rest of the obviously stock market as well. So as the stock market's moving up, crypto is doing as well as well. We have a lot of crazy earnings happening in the stock market in the upcoming days. So we're going to see how crypto reacts to those earnings as well. Big news, bad news, the different things we're going to be seeing, valuations, outlooks and things like that. So guys, smash that like button for me if you enjoy content like this. If you want to see more content like this as well, leave a comment below letting me know what you want me to talk about. As always, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. I'm not a financial advisor, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.